Hi guys, sorry for the lighting. I'm in the garage and I just wanted to show you guys briefly how I'm going to remove this mount here. I've been using this. I didn't want it to be on my screen on my windshield anymore. I want it on my dashboard. I don't even know why I put it on my windshield before, but I just want to show you how I'm going to remove this from here without damaging your mirror. Your windshield. I still got to figure out what to use to remove this. I know glue be gone or something like that will be useful for this to remove this, but for right here, I just want to show you what I've been trying. I've been here for a few minutes and I figured it out, but I Googled it and I was told, oh, you could use, what's this thing called? Dental floss. And it wasn't working for me. So dental floss was not working. So I decided, okay, what else can I do that's thin that I can use to remove this thing without damaging my windshield? So I went. First, I know I needed to get gloves because I'm going to be using, needed like really thick gloves. I use this. This is a dishwasher glove that I use with really hot water, like really, really hot, but it never penetrates because it's also lined, in a way that it kind of keeps my hands dry as well. So I have these gloves, and then I also remember that I have that you use to sew in your weave. So I took out like a chunk, a lot, but it's like just really pretty much just 3 strands of this together. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna remove this now because I'm almost about to take it out completely. So I'm gonna put my gloves on now. Come up here. I've already started. So all I'm doing is pretty much pulling gently because it's sticky. So I'm just pulling gently as much as I can. And as you can see, it's sort of moving. Can you see that moving? See that? Now it's coming off. Ooh, that's really, really good. So now it's off. I hope you guys are seeing this. And I can pretty much just pull the rest off. So I got this off. Ooh, come on. Get the rest of it. Come on. Yeah, so I got it all off. Nothing is left behind. And it was really hard at first, but once I figured out, okay, let me just see what else is thin for me to use. And it was a weave threading wool or whatever you want to call it, but a thick one, not for clothes. This is for hair. That's what you need. And that's what I used. And that's the back of this thing now. I won't be able to use this anymore because it's already damaged, but I don't want it on my windshield anymore. That's why I decided I would, take it off. Hope it's helpful to someone out there that maybe have been thinking about getting the car mount off of their windshield. That is easier than using dental floss. Yeah, a lot of people that I saw that did this were using dental floss. It worked for them. It was not working for me. I think using the thread, weaving thread, not clothing thread, weaving thread to remove the windshield sticker thingy. All right, bye.